Tanzania, Africa's jewel of nature, culture, and connection for the Black diaspora. Nestled on the eastern coast of Africa, Tanzania is a country of astounding natural beauty, cultural richness, and deep ancestral resonance. From the snow-capped peaks of Mount Kilimanjaro to the turquoise waters of Zanzibar, Tanzania offers a breathtaking combination of landscape and legacy that is calling to members of the Black diaspora seeking to reconnect with Africa. With a steadily growing economy, a vibrant society rooted in tradition and unity, and welcoming arms for all who arrive, Tanzania has emerged as a top destination not only for travel, but for deeper connection, investment, and even relocation. The landscape, where earth and sky embrace. Tanzania's geography reads like a masterstroke of nature. Towering over East Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak and one of the world's most iconic trekking destinations. The snow-capped summit of this dormant volcano contrasts starkly with the surrounding savanna, making it a must-see for nature lovers, hikers, and spiritual seekers alike. Heading west, the vast plains of the Serengeti unfold, home to the Great Migration, one of the most awe-inspiring natural events on Earth. Millions of wildebeests, zebras, and gazelles cross these ancient lands annually, accompanied by predators in an eternal cycle of life. It's a living canvas of nature, where travelers can experience the raw power of the wild in its most primal form. Then, there's the Ngorongoro crater, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and natural amphitheater teeming with wildlife. Its lush floor contrasts with the rugged rim, forming a breathtaking spectacle ideal for safari-goers and photographers. To the east lies Tanzania's long Indian Ocean coastline, stretching over 800 miles. Here, soft white sand, beaches, and coconut palms meet coral reefs and crystal waters. Off the coast, the semi-autonomous archipelago of Zanzibar enchants visitors with its spice plantations, winding alleys of Stone Town, and some of the world's most stunning beaches. These coastal regions offer not only serenity, but a window into a vibrant Swahili Arab-African cultural blend, a cultural mosaic with deep roots. Tanzania's culture is as diverse as its terrain. Home to over 120 ethnic groups, the country is a remarkable model of unity in diversity. The national identity has been carefully shaped through a shared language, Swahili, Kiswahili, and the enduring philosophy of ujamaa, or familyhood, introduced by Tanzania's founding father, Julius Nyerere. Unlike many African nations, Tanzania has largely avoided ethnic conflict, thanks in part to these unifying policies. The traditions of the Maasai people are world-renowned. Their colorful shukas, cloths, high-jumping dances, and warrior heritage have become symbols of East Africa. Yet the Chaga near Kilimanjaro, the Hadzabe of Lake Eyasi, the Sukuma in the northwest, and the Swahili along the coast each contribute distinct cultural richness, expressed through music, dance, dress, cuisine, and oral history. For the Black diaspora, this cultural diversity offers a powerful, multi-dimensional portrait of African identity, far from the monolithic representations often seen abroad. It's an opportunity to witness firsthand the resilience, creativity, and wisdom that has thrived on the continent for millennia. Welcoming the Black diaspora, a path back home. In recent years, Tanzania has increasingly drawn members of the African diaspora who are searching for connection, healing, and belonging. For African Americans, Caribbeans, and Afro-Europeans alike, the country offers an unmatched blend of stability, safety, and soulful living. Unlike some countries where integration can be difficult or bureaucratically taxing, Tanzania maintains a relatively simple tourist visa process, with options to extend or transition to a residence permit. Many in the diaspora have found it easy to set up life in Tanzania. Whether in the bustling modern city of Dar es Salaam, the bohemian beach towns of Zanzibar, or the cooler, laid-back city of Arusha near Mount Meru, there is also an emotional and spiritual dimension to returning to Tanzania. The Swahili coast was a major hub during the East African slave trade, and sites like Bagamoyo and Stone Town are poignant reminders of this history. Visiting these places is a powerful act of remembrance, and many from the diaspora describe it as a form of ancestral pilgrimage, paying homage to those who endured unimaginable suffering and reconnecting with their own lost heritage. Some local communities and organizations are also helping to build bridges with the diaspora, offering language classes, cultural immersion programs, and forums for social and economic collaboration. In a world that often marginalizes Black identity, Tanzania offers a place where one can live as they are, surrounded by faces that mirror their own. The economy, growth amid potential. Tanzania's economy has seen consistent growth over the past decade, largely driven by mining, agriculture, construction, and tourism. It is Africa's fourth largest gold producer and is rich in other minerals like tanzanite, a gemstone found only in the country. Agriculture remains the backbone of the economy, employing about 65% of the workforce. However, industrial development is on the rise, and investments in infrastructure, especially roads, railways, and ports, are transforming the nation's logistics and trade capabilities. Tourism, particularly ecotourism and cultural tourism, remains one of the country's strongest sectors. National parks, game reserves, and marine sanctuaries draw millions of visitors each year. This presents significant opportunities for diaspora entrepreneurs interested in hospitality, tour services, eco-lodges, or cultural initiatives. The Tanzanian government has also made strides toward digital transformation. Tech hubs are sprouting in cities like Dar es Salaam and Dodoma, targeting mobile payment services, e-commerce, and education. With a youthful population over 60% under the age of 25, Tanzania's human capital is an untapped powerhouse just waiting for visionary partners. Tanzanian lifestyle, harmony in simplicity. Life in Tanzania unfolds at a different rhythm. Time is fluid, greetings are warm, and community is paramount. The Tanzanian lifestyle is often described as peaceful and grounded. Whether it's sharing a plate of pilau with neighbors or gathering for an evening nyama choma, grilled meat, under the stars, the people of Tanzania treasure human connection. Family remains the cornerstone of society, and respect for elders is deeply embedded in the culture. Religion, both Christianity and Islam, is widely practiced, and places of worship are found throughout the country, often coexisting in harmony. Tanzanians value modesty, humility, and hospitality. Foreigners, especially those of African descent, are generally welcomed with curiosity and warmth. Learning basic Swahili phrases goes a long way in building rapport and navigating day-to-day life. The cost of living is significantly lower than in the West, and fresh fruits, vegetables, and seafood are abundant. Whether one is looking to retire, start a new chapter, or raise a family, Tanzania offers a lifestyle that prioritizes wellness, nature, and community. Final thoughts. Tanzania, a bridge between worlds. Tanzania stands as more than just a country. It is a bridge between Africa's majestic past and its promising future. For the Black diaspora, it represents a place of healing, opportunity, and rediscovery. Its landscapes are not just scenic, they are sacred. Its culture is not just vibrant, it is rooted, and its people are not just welcoming, they are kin. As more members of the diaspora seek alternatives to the fast-paced, often alienating realities of the West, Tanzania's call becomes clearer. Come home, explore, invest. reconnect. For those willing to answer that call, Tanzania promises more than just adventure. It offers a chance to belong.